going to start this up.
Is this a cold start?
Yeah.
What year is this thing?
It's a 85.
1985 Suburban. 6.2 liter. Non-turbo. It has the glowy plugs in there. Daniel's favorite vehicle. This is his going to town rig, as Vice Grip Garage would call it. The going to town rig with no window. So the girls don't look at him funny. He doesn't have the green tarp. Are the glow plugs glowing? Glow plugs are glowing.
Yep.
Ding, ding, ding goes the bell. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Stop now. Now you re-glow them. My God.
No, but
what? You just...
You see if it works.
Oh, my God.
Little glow.
He's got little glows.
No glow.
Slow glow. No, and now you just bump it and then you crank it. Will it start? Oh. See, now you glow it again.
Yeah.
But you're getting smoke.
Yeah.
You can't see it, but there's smoke there. Or we can use the can of glow plug.
Almost.
Get off the fuel, dude.
When I take it off, it doesn't do anything.
Just a little bit. Don't feed it the whole beans.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
In the middle.
Getting black smoke. Now let off. There you go. Look at that cold start. And yep, you can tell it's a diesel. Smell that raw, unburnt fuel. Good. Yep, I want to go away now. Front end is caved in, but we got another rod support there for it. We just need the grill. Look, you can't hardly see him. Can't see him. We lost him in the smoke. So this is what he's got here. Crank windows, no power locks, and I think there's a new rad that came with this thing in the back. But the interior and the seats are like mint. No squinting. Crack in the dash. Another one over there. But I mean, everything else.
The wipers don't work.
Doesn't work.
No, that doesn't work.
But it does have a non-tilt column with a tilt.
Yeah, no.
I mean, but I wonder if it'll go into reverse.
No.
And look at that. No. Look at that. Like, look out. Don't look at that door. Look at this door. And he broke the mirror. All right. Get out of here with this thing. Go bring the other one in. We got to get it over here to take that wing off. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at that Suburban. Dual exhaust. It's got dual exhaust. Hey, headlights work. High beam? Well, one high beam works. Dual exhaust on a Suburban, non-turbo. I wonder if we could turbo that thing. All right, let's go. True diesel dual exhaust. You can't do that on a regular diesel because of a turbo system. They run a single. This, you can put headers on too. Look at that. And it's got another rad in there, right? Did it have a brand new rad that came with it?
No.
Oh, I thought it had no extra rad. That's too bad. I thought it did. Oh, and Suburbans and even the Blazers, they used to crack right in here in these corners. This one's not cracked. I mean, it's splitting here, but it's all like it's opening. It's opening. Look at that. Well, the cable's a little sad. Piece of plywood. Look at the corrosion in there, though. Holy shit. Wonder if that goes all the way through. But whatever. Hey, look at the heater box.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, it is so?
Yeah, that's heat.
That's an option.